So you just created a GoMining account and you're wondering what you should do next. Should you purchase a miner from the marketplace or should you create one? Welcome to the channel. Make sure to subscribe and smash the like button. So you decided to give Bitcoin mining a try. You want to accumulate some BTC. You believe it's going to continue to go higher and higher over the next couple of years and you want to make some money. So you decided to give mining a shot. All right. Also, for all the new people that are joining, if you want to sign up to GoMining, the link will be in the description box below. I will also have a 5% discount code as well that you can check out in order to save some money on your next miner. When you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a ton of different options. Right now, they have over 3,400 miners for sale, and they range anywhere from, let's see the lowest price right now. So the lowest priced miner is only $23.69 worth of GoMining tokens. But let's check the highest priced miner. This one is over $204,000. As you can see, there's a bunch of them that are extremely expensive in the hundreds of thousands of dollars range. But one thing that I love about this marketplace is you can sort the results by the newest miners that people are selling. You can sort by the lowest price, highest ROI, which is very important. Also lowest price per terahash and all of that stuff, rarity. And right here you have even more options when it comes to price, efficiency, power, and all of that stuff. But now you are trying to decide if you're going to purchase one of these miners off the marketplace or if you want to create a new one. Let's just click on this first one, for example. When you click on it, you are able to see all the information. For example, how much it is going to make you daily. As of right now, if you purchase this miner for 75 bucks, you're going to make 7 cents worth of profit. The miner makes about 13 cents worth of Bitcoin, but after the electrical fees, you're getting 7 cents worth of profit, and the annual ROI is 31.68%. If you see on here, you're going to see that it gets 2.7 terahashes and the efficiency is 20. These two numbers are pretty much the most important numbers when it comes to getting a miner. So when we go back, you're going to see the option to generate your own miner. So when deciding which miner to pick, I simply go with the most affordable one, the one that has the best price per terahash. So the way I find this number out is I go by price. I type in right here, let's say 200 mining tokens, and then we sort by lowest price per terahash. And then this will give us some miners. Also, we're going to go by power. So we're going to put one right here. That way we get the most basic miner with the cheapest possible price. So we got under 200, 1 terahash, and let's sort it again, lowest price per terahash. And now this will show us the cheapest miner with the 1 terahash, and it is $23.68. The next cheapest one is $23.74 per terahash. So now that we have this number 23.68, we can go and press create a miner to see if we can create a miner with 1 terahash, 20 efficiency for a price that is lower than $23.68. So when we press create a miner, you're going to click 1 terahash, 20 efficiency, and when we scroll down, you're going to see the price is $23.99. So it's slightly more expensive per terahash than simply buying one on the marketplace. But also, guys, there's a ton of things you need to look at. If you up the terahash, you up the power, the price goes up. Also, if you up the efficiency up to 15, the price goes up as well. And as you can see right here, we do have the 5% cash back code. Obviously, it does not deduct it automatically off the price, but you do get the 5% cash back in GoMining tokens in your account. So if you use this code right here, you're going to get 5% cash back. I will also have the code in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So the way I decide which one I'm going to get is simple. Go to the marketplace, find the cheapest miner that they have, and then compare the price per terahash when it comes to creating your own. And if it is cheaper to create your own, then you create your own. If it is cheaper to buy on the marketplace, you buy on the marketplace. So creating a miner is extremely easy. Let's say you selected 1 terahash, 20 efficiency, and that is it. You only want to pay $23.99, and then you simply press next. This will give you a ton of options to pay for your miner. You can use your debit card, your credit card, you can use Apple Pay, you can use Google Pay, or if you have crypto, you can use crypto. They literally have a ton of options to pay for your miner. Once you pay, it is simple. The miner automatically appears into your mining board, just like these right here. Buying one on the marketplace is pretty much the same thing. Just press buy, select your payment option, and boom. So that is how I decide if I'm going to create my own miner or if I'm going to purchase one on the marketplace. One thing that I do want to mention, keep an eye out on the marketplace. There's a lot of times where people make a mistake, they post the wrong number, and you can get these miners dirt cheap. Obviously, this does not happen all the time, but sometimes there's crazy deals. I've seen miners that are like $10, $11, $8 per terahash, and a lot of times those do not last long. People scoop them up because they want those returns. So that is how I do it. I don't really care about the artwork, the fancy pictures, or any of that stuff. All I care about is making the highest ROI. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. If you want to give GoMining a try, the link will be in the description box below. Make sure to use that promo code as well, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.